Let's talk a little bit about auditions. This question has to do with in the room or in a self tape. What is the first thing that you notice about an actor when you see them on tape or in the room?
So much of casting is what you get from a performer or an actor energetically
Yeah.
when you turn the camera on. Like, what am I getting from
Mhm.
you just by you walking in the room in the old days, coming onto a Zoom call, putting on that self tape? There's just going to be some sort of impulse or vibe that comes off, and I think it's the actors that there is a confidence to them, not in a cocky or arrogant way, but in a I'm owning my time and my space in the room when they came in the room, or on a self tape, really treating that self tape like they would treat a take, and they are presenting, here's my version of this character
Yeah.
based on the script analysis I've done, based on the breakdown I got. This is my version of it. And actors who can really sort of stand in the confidence and own their themselves, I think that stands out. Or those are the actors that you sort of spark to or pay attention to, because they just bring something with them that's intangible but is very much recognizable.